Hey guys, I just wanted to review a little bit about function and parameters today. Um, that is basically the ultimate example of abstraction. It is absolutely fantastic to be able to create a function that does so many things so easily. So I'm going to share a little experience that I had yesterday with some third graders. I actually taught some third graders how to code a simple rectangle, with Turtle using Turtle, and basically when they typed this code, this simple code, and when they ran it, obviously it drew a basic rectangle, okay? But then the students started, they wanted to change the length and the width, and then the code got messed up. And sometimes third graders, they can't type code properly. So as a teacher, I was sitting there saying, I wish I had some kind of simple way that they could just type in what they wanted the rectangle to look like, and it just appeared that way. Well, lo and behold, that's what a function does. So I just basically created this idea to just put this rectangle in a function. So I'm going to label the function draw rectangle, and then I'm going to set certain parameters. So I'm going to start with length and width. Okay, and then when I hit enter, I automatically have it indented for me. That's what Python does. So I'm just going to paste my code here. Okay, so now that my code is looking pretty good here with my indentation, I have to change everywhere that there is a 150. That's my length. So I'm going to change the 150 to length every time I see it. Okay, and then I need to change everywhere I see the 50 to width. Okay, now that I have my code set up with my parameters over here, I now get to call my function. So I'm going to call draw rectangle, and then I'm going to just ask the students, well, give me a number for length, give me a number for width. We can put it in here. So let's say we have 200 for length and 30 for width. All right, let's see what this looks like. All right, there we go. Let's say we want to try something different. Let's say 300 for length, and let's do 70 for width. Let's try that. And there we go. So instead of having to type all of this code, it makes it very simple to be able to just call a function. So now let's add more parameters. Let's get a little crazy with this and add some more parameters. So what I want to do now is I not only want length and width, I want pen size, and I also want color. Okay, but I have to add that down here. So I'm going to have Tim, let's see, pen size is going to be pen size, because don't forget, we're going to ask the students to put down whatever pen size they want down here when we call the function. Okay, so pen size goes up here, and then we're going to have Tim the turtle. The color is going to be color, because we want the students to pick the color. Okay, so we've chosen 300 for length, 70 for width. Our pen size is going to be 10, and our color, let's go with red. All right, let's test this out. Ooh, fantastic. All right, let's say I want two different rectangles. All I have to do is copy this code right here, and I'm going to call the same function. Okay, So instead of 300, let's do 200. Let's do a width of 50. Let's do a pen size of 2. And let's have this black. Fun. Okay. Now let's do one more. All right, let's do a length of 150, a width of 30. Let's do a pen size of 20, and we'll have blue. Cool. So now you can see all the different pen sizes. All right, so we kind of made a little rectangle machine. It's kind of like a function machine. So this is our function right here, draw rectangle. It's in blue, it's highlighted in blue. And then here are our parameters. So our parameters are length, width, pen size, color. And then here when we call the function, we call draw rectangle, we can add whatever we want in place of what we have designated for our parameters, and then the code will return whatever we put in for our parameters. So again, that is the most awesome example of abstraction, taking something a little complex over here and making it a little simpler down here. All right, thanks guys.